Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hecarim in Wild Rift. Hecarim is a powerful jungler known for his incredible speed and ganking potential. You'll want to prioritize clearing your jungle camps efficiently to reach level 5 quickly. Look for opportunities to surprise enemies in lanes, using your abilities to secure early kills and gain an advantage for your team. Mastering his kit is key to dominating the Rift. Understanding Hecarim's abilities is crucial for effective gameplay. His Rampage, or Q, is your main damage source for both jungle camps and enemy champions. Spirit of Dread, your W, offers valuable healing in team fights, increasing your survivability. Devastating Charge, or E, is perfect for closing gaps and knocking enemies back, setting up easy kills for your team. Combine these for devastating effects.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. It really helps us out. On another note, quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're a gamer or just busy. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Choosing the right items and runes will significantly boost Hecarim's performance. Begin with a jungle item to accelerate your clear speed. Black Cleaver is a core item, offering armor reduction and health, making you tankier while increasing your damage output. Trinity Force is another excellent choice, providing a burst of damage after each ability. For runes, Conqueror is ideal for extended fights, stacking damage as you attack. Efficient jungle pathing is vital for Hecarim. A common and effective start is Red Buff, followed by Krugs and Raptors, which gets you to level 3 quickly. After this, assess the lanes for potential ganks. Your Devastating Charge makes you a formidable ganker. Always keep an eye on objectives like Dragon and Rift Herald. Securing these provides significant advantages for your entire team throughout the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.